This is existing Kenmore dishwasher. So you can hear it operational. You can hear the water going. So it is operational. I think that the shutoff valve was actually closed, so that's probably the reason. So this unit is about I'll say a year and a half, maybe 2 years old at most. So it's actually a new unit, and all the plumbing and all that associated with it's also new. So yep, it works. So we just tested the dishwasher. You can see there's water, everything. So it ran out. I just did a short cycle, but this thing's actually pretty new. Anyways, it works fine.